Hi, welcome to Go Digital website. And in this video, we're going to speak about the different plans that are offered here at godigitalwebsite.com. And we are going to explain about the student plan and the business to business plans here in this video. And we're going to start out with the Pro Advanced Hosting plan, which is $1325 a month. The billing cycle is going to be every 12 months, every year. So the price is not going to be $1325 a month. So you're going to startup fee is going to be like $159 a year, and you're going to go every year from there. With this Pro Advanced plan, you are able to start out with the e-commerce site where you're going to sell products, have a form, make transactions, and all of that. With this Pro Plus and the Basic Plus, they're going to offer less functionality, but these ones, they are not going to be able to build an e-commerce site where you're going to be able to sell products or nothing like this. Only maybe create search engine optimize and maybe have a form, but not able to sell products with this Pro Plus, okay? And this Basic Plus. As you can see here, we go to create account for the Pro. We are going to see the billing cycle is every 12 months here, so it's 159, and this is 1325 a month here. So, for example, let's go to the business to business BPS hosting. And as you can see in box one here is $12 a month here. And it's only 1 GB RAM and 1 core. The 1 core means that you only have one cash register open for the what's it call it for the online store here. And here in box two you will have 1 core, but you're gonna have 2 GB. And here in box three you're gonna have 2 cores, which means you're gonna have two cash register but 3 GB here. So I recommend box four for the business or for the students who are doing the want to start out with the online store here. So they are able to have two cash register and 4 GB RAM. For this one here, the billing cycle is gonna be $48 a month. And if you are a student and you think you're only gonna take your class for a few months only, you can start out with the most basic one, the one that costs $12 and just pay for 6 months or something like this. Or simply if you're gonna start a business, start out with this one here. The billing cycle is going to be 1 month, $48 a month, and this is how it goes. You're gonna have two CPU cores, which can be the two cache registers and 4 GB of RAM here. Okay, let's go back here to the BPS hosting plans, and over here the business plans. You are going to the billing cycle is going to be every month for this one. So we have two cache registers, three cache registers, and so on, even five cache register and 11 GB of RAM. So you can have a lot of traffic here coming and buying here, and your website is going to have a good functionality with box number 10. Okay, so we go here and we go back to the share plans here and to the homepage. As you can see, the Pro Advanced Hosting Plan is 13 a month, 1325 a month, but the billing cycle is going to be every 12 months here, and you have to pay for every year. And you're just gonna get one cache register, 1 core, and you're just gonna get 1 GB of RAM. So you're not getting a lot. And if you want to learn, you either going to learn in 3 months, 6 months. Sometimes it's better to start out with the business plan here and so on. You can start out here. And if you decide to keep your little project from school, you keep deciding, keep paying on this every month. And for this other one, if you choose like a share plan here, so if you choose a share plan from here and you decide to keep your project, but now you want to switch up to the business account, you have to be able to transfer all your website information into this plan here. So you have to do that. Transfer from the student plan, from the share plan to the BPS hosting plan, because it's a different section. So it's not going to be able to upgrade. For the chair plans, you can only, from the chair plans, you can only upgrade from basic plus to pro advanced here. But over here for the business plans, here is your upgrade here. You start, if you want to start from box one here and you want to upgrade all the way here. And I recommend box four to start out here because it doesn't charge any managed services. So as you can see here, you're not going to be charged any managed services, but in the box three here, you are going to be charged for these managed services. So which is going to be 36 US dollars here, but managed services you purchase and plus $16 here. So it's $52 a month. And might as well, you're just going to have three gigabyte RAM only here, but with the other one, you're going to pay 48 managed services for free. Plus you're going to have 4 gigabytes of RAM. And so you're going to save $4 is not much, but it's something, At least you're not going to be paying for managed services anymore. And for box five and the other boxes, so here the managed services they come included, and so on with this one as well here. So the managed services start out in the box four. So this is basically how the plans are here for the Go Digital website. This is the chair plans here. As we mentioned before, if you're starting out here, you don't think you're gonna advance more than Pro Advance here, just buy a chair plan. And if you think you are gonna get like a few months or something, and then you're gonna want to advance, upgrade to a better plan here, just choose the business to business plan here. Okay, so this is Go Digital website and a place where you can get web hosting and domain name registration.